Scene 2, Act 1. Start. Remember Ducky? The new friend he made? Well, they were playing. And he was on the magic carpet sliding back and forth and back and forth and fell off. SpongeBob saved him, but one of his horns fell off. Then Ducky Momo got really mad and yelled at SpongeBob. SpongeBob didn't want him anymore. So he wanted to do it again. They were sliding and sliding and sliding and sliding. And then he flung him way over. And he broke his other horn. So they're not friends anymore. So he's in search of another friend. And an old sea turtle floats by. SpongeBob says, "Wait, Mr. Turtle! Mr. Turtle!" Excuse me. And, excuse me. He says, wait! I want to ask you a question. How many friends do you have? A lot. How do you make a friend? Well, to make a good friend, you have to ask them some questions first. So, the best question I've asked is, let me think. Oh yeah, what kind of things do you do? And why? Okay, I'll try that. Thank you. Now goodbye. So, SpongeBob, main character, goes on a nice long trip, and he doesn't find anybody. No one. Until someone dropped a wristband from the top of the sea down, floating. While it floated, it started to form something. The O's became eyes and went inside. He became a mushy monster. Like this. SpongeBob asked, "What's your name?" He answered, "Billy Joe." He said, "Billy Joe, what do you like to do?" Well, I like to play and look for jellyfish and put them in pumpkins, play with horsies. Hey, that sounds like me. You want to be friends? Sure. So they were friends for a long time. So long until they died peacefully on top of each other. The end. And thank you for watching.